Sin, and I am back with another video. Okay, y'all know when I come on a camera like this, you already know I'm about to do a review. Okay, so we not spending rent money and tuition and child support money, all of that, you know, on wigs. Okay, it's time to find affordable wigs for a good price, and today I'm about to tell y'all to stop sleeping on Amazon, okay? Because Amazon is the way to go. It's 2019, okay? So anyway, to get into the video, I am here to do a review on Jessica hair, which was shipped through Amazon. I have a Jessica curly hair wig, which is 16 inches with 150 density, which they print out right there. And this is the packaging, you know, cute, the hot pink or whatever. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna open the box. So the packaging is nice. It comes in this bag. Yeah, 16-inch curly hair, 150 density, and it's $130, which is not bad at all. So, oh, in the box, they gave me a wig cap and a cute little hot pink nail file. Okay, and you know, it's in the net, and I got the natural color, which is like this dark brownish black. This is the wig. This is the curl pattern from right here, looking at it from right here. The lace, it doesn't have baby hair, so you would have to create your own. It's really nice. They have lots of combs in here. Actually, they have 3 combs. That's 1, 2, 3 at the top, and then you have 1 in the back, and you have an adjustable strap. And okay, let's talk about the lace. Okay, there are no well, I guess this is supposed to be like a baby hair right here. Yeah, so they gave you like a little bit of baby hair. Looking through, you know, you can low-key see the tracks. I'm sure like once you like comb it out and stuff, you won't be able to see it. And I mean, like, we're not in middle school no more, but everybody be all up in your hair and stuff like that, so who cares? So this is the parting that they had gave already, like the parting it came in. And then the if you keep going back, let's see. Oh, so you get a good amount of parting actually. Frontal space is from here to here. Let me try to measure it out in my hand. That much. That's a good amount. You know how like some weave they come with like all these different color strand hairs. I see like a couple like reddish silver ones, but I mean that's nothing. You can easily pluck it out if it's going to bother you. But for me, I don't really care that much. For the most part, the wig is nice. Anyway, it kind of like this little courtesy note type of thing, and it just tells you what to do with the hair. Get myself together. So right now, I'm just finger combing it. The hair is really nice. I'm not getting any shedding right now. I mean, of course, I'll experience shedding once I wet it. The curl pattern is nice. It's more on the wavier side. Let's see. It's true, like to the length. Let's see. So it's stopping like right here by my boob, and it's stopping like bra length, which is typically like a 16-inch, I would say. For me, I'm like 4'10", so 16-inch is like bra length for me, and then like a 18-inch is like almost waist length, and so on. So I wouldn't say this is a 16-inch for a person my height. the knots. For some people, you would probably like to bleach the knots. My bleach, I don't have it right now. Okay guys, so I just cut the lace off on the front of the head, right? And I was wondering why there was lace in the back, because I typically don't see this when I have wigs. And they didn't hook y'all up for real. Like they didn't do something here. So if you want to do a full updo, y'all are straight. Cause you know sometimes y'all the little R-nups and stuff be in the back looking crazy, whatever. Definitely if your hair is fully cornrow and you have like no leave out anything on the back, you don't even need it though, honestly. Cause look at the side. This is the side of the hair. Yeah, like you can do a full updo, and you could leave some of this out and like do a little head wrap, or you could put the whole thing up and you'll be straight. So I definitely like how they did that. Yes. So seeing that, I definitely have a couple of hairstyles I already know that I'm going to be doing. Before I apply it, I'm going to add some powder. Like mix these two all into this. I'm just going to mix it in there. So now that I have my middle part, now I can see how I want to lay it. I'm just gonna damp it a little bit, guys. So this is the end of the video, and these are the results. So I hope you guys like. And if you guys would like to see a video on so like this is like a little bit of shedding. I just did some plucking, well, pulling, yeah, plucking. So yeah, it's not bad at all. I would definitely say it is worth the money, and because it's super affordable, you can just buy multiple of these. This is the end of the video, and I hope you guys like. If you guys would like to see a video on how I will do like versatile style with this wig, let me know. I hope this was detailed enough for you guys. Just a reminder, I got this off of Amazon by Jessica Hair. This was $130, and super nice, minimal shedding, and I love it. And I didn't even wet it yet, and this curl padding is really nice. I just damped it a little bit, and I didn't bleach the knots. I gotta fix the part a little bit more when I have time, but it's New Year's Eve and I'm about to have some fun. Have a nice day, happy holidays, and see you guys again in 2019.